In this section we will see how are good unit tests written, or what should a good unit test contain. Now first thing that we need to remember is the TDD approach is only as good or as bad as the test cases that are getting executed in the process. So it is very important that we write high quality test cases. Now there are certain things we have to keep in mind when we are developing the TDD way or we are writing the test cases. Now one is the test cases should be written so as to cover as much code as possible, which means that you're at the end of execution of a test suite, your code coverage should be as high as possible. The passing criteria for this is usually 95 to 98%, which means I should be able to, through my test cases, cover at least 95 to 98% of the lines of code that I have written. We also have to write the test cases, use assertions in test cases in such a way. It could be that we write multiple test cases, each containing only one assertion for basically the verification of the value that we are getting, or it could be a single test case containing multiple assertions also. Anyway is fine, but we should use assertions in our test cases in such a way that any subsequent changes to the code, if something breaks, we should be able to catch it. So tomorrow a code is changed by someone else, or because of some reason some requirement has changed, or somewhere design has changed and the code has undergone a change. If the functionality, there is a problem with the functionality or something is broken in the functionality, we should still be able to catch it at the unit test level itself. So that is something that we have to ensure.